This is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4 5G, and today we will demonstrate how you can block all spam and robocalls on this device. So first of all, you need to make sure that the SIM card is inserted into the device. Next, launch the phone dialer app, tap on these three vertical dots at the top right corner, then go for settings. Caller ID in spam protection toggle should be turned off, so you can do just that by simply tapping on it. Next, tap at the body of this option, and in here turn on the block spam and scam calls switch. After that, you can choose between block all spam and scam calls, or you can also go for the only block high risk scam calls option, but I'll go with the first one. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.